welcome back, pre-K friends. We're going to start a new unit, and that is our clay and sculpture unit. We're going to continue with our babies also, but first I want to talk about clay. What is clay? What do you think clay is? Tell Miss Lisa. Well, clay, friends, is a natural material that comes from the earth. So it's natural, made up little tiny particles of rock. And its shape can be changed, and it also can be dried to make little sculptures or pots or things we could decorate. So this week, my friends, I want us to make clay together. So join me and we're going to do that. The materials you are going to need are a half a cup of water, a half a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or baby oil, and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, my friends, please get those materials and I will join you in making clay together. Hi friends, so welcome back. Today we're going to make our own air dry clay. And the first step we're going to do is add half a cup of salt. So we're just going to go half a cup of salt, and it's a lot of salt. This salt is to preserve the clay so that it doesn't get moldy. You want to pour that in?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead. Hold it. Very good. Now add half a cup of warm water. Good. Excellent. And now we're going to stir that up until it dilutes, just like that. Gonna keep on stirring until it gets all diluted. Okay, so next you're gonna add a cup of flour, and this is all-purpose flour, and you're just gonna put it right in. And then 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So let's see how that goes. Okay, and we're gonna pour that in. So now we're going to start mixing it. Do you want to put your hand in there?
Yeah.
Start mixing it. Add a little bit more flour. Here, you could add some flour too. Mix it now with the flour. Go ahead, mix it, sweetheart. 1 hand. Okay, you could use 2 hands if you want. Go ahead. Mix it. Good job. Go ahead, mix it. Okay, now we're gonna add some flour here. Now try to roll it. Now it feels better. Go ahead, try to roll it. You feel it? Up, go closer. There you go. Roll it. Feels better?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try. Now it feels more like clay, right?
Yeah.
So I want to play with the clay. How does it feel to you? How does the clay change when you squeeze or pinch the clay? So I want you to just play with the clay for today, and next week we're going to make something with this clay. And now I'm going to show you how to take care of your clay for next week's project. If you want to store it, you're going to wrap it in some cling wrap. So you'd wrap it on some cling wrap and then put it in a sealed container. And you could store it in the fridge. if you want to add some color, I'm going to show how to do that next. Now, to color your clay for next week, if you wanted to have color clay, I separated a little bit of it, and you could keep the rest. You're going to use a little bit of acrylic paint or any type of paint you have. You could also use markers or watercolor to paint, to add some paint or color to it. So what color did you want?
I wanted pink.
Okay, so you're gonna take this and pour a little bit of this, and you're gonna mix it, okay?
Okay.
Here you go. So you're gonna mix it right here so everyone can see. And then I'm going to take 2 hands you're gonna need. And I'm gonna take some blue, and you're just gonna follow me. Mix it in, lift it up, yep. Mix it. Closer to the camera, there you go. So everybody can see. Let's see how it works. If yours gets really sticky, just add some more flour to it. You could roll yours on the flour. If it gets really sticky, just roll it and then just make a ball again. And so this one turned into a light blue. And let's see yours. Can you roll it into a ball? Oh, it's pretty. It's like a light pink.
I know. I like mine.
Okay, so it's like a light pink and a light blue. And then again, you're gonna take this for next week so we could use it and put it in like a little saran wrap or a Ziploc bag. Please keep all your clay for future projects. And then put it inside a container and put it away somewhere. You could even put it in the fridge. And then next week, we're gonna come back and create something with our clay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.